Good day, viewers. We are returning to Los Angeles from Auckland, New Zealand, and we're about ready to taxi in position here on this nearly new Airbus. And when we booked these tickets, it was an absolutely full flight, and now, as you can see, it's half full. And I wonder if that has anything to do with November 5th. But anyway, now we get to see what an Airbus 9-900 does with a half a load, provided he doesn't spoil the fun and throttle back. So that's a check. We had 20 knots of wind on the nose. We're at sea level, and here we go. Full throttle in now, counting 10 seconds. Feels pretty good. Ten seconds in. 20 seconds. And 30 seconds still on the ground. Okay, nose up at 45 seconds. Well, that wasn't too noteworthy, but hope you found that of interest.